Are you facing issues where your AirPods are automatically pausing songs or videos? Don't worry, it's a common problem. The most known reasons for this is related to a loose fit in your ears, Bluetooth interference, or even software glitches. To fix this, I'll show you some effective solutions and get going. Let's start. Solution 1. Check for Bluetooth conflicts. If you have your AirPods paired to multiple devices like your iPhone and MacBook, switching can sometimes cause auto-pausing. Try disconnecting other Bluetooth devices or turn off Bluetooth on devices you're not using. For example, I'll disconnect this iPhone of mine with my AirPods. I'll go to Settings, then Bluetooth. In here, tap on the eye next to the AirPods I'm connected to, and simply select Forget this device. This will remove the device from the connection and possibly solve the interference problem. Make sure to do this for other connected devices as well. Solution 2. Disable automatic ear detection. If the problem keeps happening, try turning off the feature temporarily. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. In here, tap on the eye next to your AirPods. Now, scroll down a bit and toggle off automatic ear detection. This will keep the audio playing even if AirPods are removed. But it's a great way to see if this feature is the root of the problem. Solution 3. Reset your AirPods. If your AirPods have the reset button available on its back, put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then open the lid again and leave it open. Press and hold the button on the back for about 15 seconds. The light will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. If your AirPod models have a touch response feature instead of a button, simply double tap the front part of the AirPods charging case a few times. Keep tapping until the light will flash red, then white, and that will complete the reset. Now simply reconnect your AirPods. Hopefully this time your problem should get fixed. But if the problem is still persisting, it might be time to contact Apple support or visit a service center, especially if you still have warranty. So guys, that's all for today. Be sure to give this video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks a lot for watching.